Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem many people face when dealing with a large number of files: the need to replace certain characters in file names. Imagine having around 10,000 files, including subfolders, and wanting to change a specific character like hack to something else across all these files. Quite a task, right? Well, today we're going to dive into a solution for this exact problem. In the solution provided, we make use of PowerShell to navigate through the files and rename them accordingly. By using the command $recurse rename item new name, $_.name replace hash, we are able to recursively go through all the files, including those in subfolders, and replace the desired character. The $recurse part ensures that we cover all files, while rename item with the specified replacement takes care of actually renaming the files. The key here is understanding the use of recurse to handle subfolders effectively. This parameter allows us to search through all directories and subdirectories to make sure no file is left unchanged. By incorporating this into the script, we can ensure that our character replacement operation is applied universally across all files, no matter how deeply nested they are. In summary, tackling a large-scale file renaming problem can be made much simpler with the right approach. By utilizing PowerShell and understanding how to navigate through files and folders efficiently, you can save yourself a ton of manual work. So, give this solution a try and see how it can streamline your file management tasks. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Who knew renaming files could be this fun, right? See you next time.